Hello guys, good evening. How is everyone? How is your morning? Today is Sunday. It's a family day. I hope everyone be able to spend time with their family. While your family is still alive and still here, you should spend time with your family. Because when they are gone, you cannot do anything to make them come back. Me, I don't have my own family and I don't have parents anymore. Although I have siblings, but they already have their own family. I'm the only one don't have my own family. The weather and the aircon is good. Anyway, I just want to say good night. Have a good night's sleep everyone and sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. The aircon is so cold. Shit, I got a cold. Because the weather is change weather already. The winter is coming. Bye guys, I need to sleep. I'm tired today because we went out a while ago. And I iron the clothes before I sleep. Good night everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye.